Hello and welcome to our weekly AI news brief for the week ending July 13th, 2025 on the AI with Arun show. Starting with AI regulatory developments in the US, we have seen some pivotal decisions. First, the US Senate has rejected a 10-year AI ban. This decision signals continued federal support for AI innovation despite growing concerns about its potential risk. This vote is seen as maintaining America's competitive edge in the global AI race, with a continued reliance on industry self regulation. Secondly, we are witnessing an explosion of state level AI regulations with over 1,000 now active across the US. This creates a complex and fragmented compliance landscape for companies operating across multiple states. Finally, Virginia has launched an ambitious government AI pilot program. This initiative integrates AI into government operations, aiming to improve efficiency and citizen services, and could potentially establish a national model for public sector AI implementation. Moving to global AI governance, several key initiatives are underway. Singapore has approved a financial services AI sandbox. This controlled environment allows for testing AI innovations in financial services without risking systemic disruption. It enables companies to test AI technologies with real customers while maintaining safeguards, positioning Singapore as a leader in balanced AI regulation. The UN's AI for Good Global Summit recently convened in Geneva, bringing together stakeholders from government, tech, academia, and civil society. The summit explored AI's role in achieving sustainable development goals while also addressing potential risks. The conversation around AI governance is broadening, with new influential voices emerging. The BRICS nations have formally proposed that the United Nations lead in establishing global AI governance frameworks. Their proposal advocates for broader representation beyond just Western tech giants, challenging the current power dynamics in AI governance. This reflects concerns among emerging economies about technological colonialism and the concentration of AI decision making power in Western tech hubs. In a significant intervention, the Pope has urged global leaders to establish robust ethical management and regulatory framework for AI development. The Vatican emphasizes human centered development principles over mere utility or efficiency. This moral perspective highlights the need for AI that serves humanity's holistic needs, not just commercial interests. Turning to corporate AI strategy, Microsoft offers a compelling case study. The company has reported achieving over $500 million in cost savings through AI driven efficiencies across its operations. This is one of the first concrete measures of AI's large scale financial impact on an enterprise. Microsoft implemented AI solutions across customer service, software development, documentation, and internal processes, demonstrating how enterprises can leverage AI for significant operational improvements. However, these efficiency gains have coincided with substantial workforce reductions. This raises serious questions about AI's impact on employment, and Microsoft's pattern may foreshadow similar developments across other major tech companies and beyond. The juxtaposition of AI efficiency and job losses truly exemplifies the double edged nature of AI adoption in enterprise settings. AI advancement is heavily reliant on robust infrastructure for power and processing. And here's the biggest news of all: NVIDIA has become the world's most valuable company with a market cap reaching almost $4 trillion. This milestone reflects the central role of AI chipmakers in the global economy and signals AI growing dominance across industries. In a bold move, Elon Musk's XAI announced plans to construct a dedicated overseas power plant to operate 1 million GPUs. This directly addresses the enormous energy demands required for large scale AI model training and inference. Furthermore, German researchers have achieved a breakthrough in AI hardware efficiency by engineering a vast spin waveguide network. This innovation could dramatically reduce the energy consumption of AI systems while maintaining performance. These developments collectively highlight the critical importance of physical infrastructure, from power generation to specialized computing hardware, in enabling the future of AI. The AI market continues to see significant funding and dynamic shifts. Elon Musk XAI is reportedly seeking $200 billion in new funding to accelerate AI development. If successful, this could be the largest private funding round in history. In terms of acquisitions, French IT giant Capgemini acquired India-based WNS for $3.3 billion specifically to enhance its AI capabilities, creating a combined entity with revenues exceeding $23 billion. Moving on, we are seeing the emergence of Browser Wars 2.0, this time with AI at the core. OpenAI has announced plans to launch its own web browser, positioning it as a direct competitor to Google Chrome. This marks a significant expansion beyond OpenAI's traditional AI model development. The browser is expected to feature native integration with ChatGPT and other OpenAI models, potentially transforming how users interact with web content through AI-assisted browse and information synthesis. And not to be outdone, Perplexity has launched Comet, an AI powered web browser that embeds large language models (LLMs) directly into the browse experience. Unlike traditional search centric browsers, Comet fundamentally aims to change how users discover and interact with information online. In AI model advancements and research, we have three notable developments this week. First, XAI's Grok 4 has set new benchmarks demonstrating significant achievements in model architecture and reasoning capabilities. It has achieved state-of-the-art scores in challenging benchmarks like ARC, AGI2, GPQA, and SWE Bench, suggesting breakthroughs in deep reasoning and coding abilities. Second, Google has rolled out its Veo 3 AI model with a particular emphasis on gaming applications. This specialized deployment indicates a strategic focus on interactive media and entertainment, potentially transforming game development and player experiences. And finally, Google's DeepMind has acquired key members of the Windsurf team to strengthen the Gemini AI agents. This talent acquisition aims to advance autonomous AI capabilities, focusing on agent-based systems that can operate independently across multiple domains. Next on the news, a truly groundbreaking development is occurring in AI in healthcare. Isomorphic Labs, an Alphabet-owned AI drug discovery firm, is preparing to begin human trials for its first AI-designed drugs. This is a landmark moment for AI's application in biomedical research and pharmaceutical development. The entry of AI-designed compounds into human trials signifies a major acceleration in the traditionally lengthy and expensive drug development. If successful, these trials could validate AI's ability to identify novel therapeutic candidates more efficiently than conventional methods. Industry experts anticipate that successful outcomes could fundamentally shift pharmaceutical R&D, potentially reducing development timelines from decades to mere years. In decentralized and voice AI, we have two key updates. Meta has acquired Play AI to strengthen its AI voice technology capabilities. The strategic goal is to enhance its AI assistants and metaverse applications. This acquisition represents a significant investment in voice as a primary interface for future Meta products, signaling the determination to compete directly with Amazon, Google, and Apple in the voice assistant space and create more natural interactions in virtual environments. Separately, OpenLedger and Allura Networks have partnered to advance decentralized AI systems. Their collaboration aims to establish new standards for transparency, data attribution, and creator rewards through blockchain integration. This initiative directly challenges the centralized AI development model dominated by large tech companies, potentially democratizing access to both AI training data and the economic benefits generated by AI systems. In AI hardware and vision technology, Intel has announced the strategic spin-off of its RealSense division, backed by $50 million in funding. This move allows RealSense to operate with greater agility in the rapidly evolving computer vision market. The newly independent company will focus on enhancing automation and robotics applications globally, with a particular emphasis on industrial settings, autonomous vehicles, and consumer robotics. RealSense technologies are crucial for next-generation robotics, enabling machines to perceive and interpret their environments with human-like depth, perception, and object recognition capabilities. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below.